Hello and welcome to How to Manage Stress Well, Blood Type AB. Dr. Dademo has been working to research on the topic of blood type specific lifestyle over 30 years. In his books, he describes the optimal lifestyle for each blood type. This includes nutrition, exercise recommendations, and the optimal stress management. According to Dr. Dademo, the stress reactions vary depending on the genetic predetermination, the blood type. At the same time, according to Dr. Dademo, people of the same blood type react in a similar way to stress. Regardless of any blood type, the nervous system always strives for balance. If this cannot be achieved over a long period of time, the body is noticeably unbalanced. When the stress hormones cortisol and adrenaline are released over a long period of time, they can actually manifest a disease. This is varying from blood type to blood type, according to Dr. Dademo. So what are the practical recommendations for stress reduction for blood type AB? If possible, avoid situations that are highly competitive. Maintain your social contacts if you are in a competitive environment. Avoid ritualized thinking and do not be stubborn in situations that you cannot influence. Develop a plan for your tasks and goals annually, monthly, weekly, and daily to avoid impulsiveness. Take changes in life step by step. Do not try to tackle everything at once. Do 45 to 60 minutes of aerobics or similar sports at least twice a week, in addition to daily stretching, meditation and yoga. Do visualization exercises every day. Engage in a community, sports club or anywhere else that will allow you to get involved into a group in a meaningful way. Dademo states that AB blood type people by nature are philanthropists and empathetic, so take some time off for social engagement. Also, take time to be alone. You can also do a sports routine just for yourself without others. Avoid caffeine, alcohol or other stimulants. These substances increase your noradrenaline and adrenaline levels. These levels are high in your system naturally. In everyday life, prepare small rewards for successful tasks. Food deprivation for your body is stress on different levels. It is believed that more stress hormones are released after food deprivation. The metabolic rate is increased and the adipose tissue is activated. Do not skip meals and have a plenty breakfast. Pay attention to a high proportion of protein-rich foods for your breakfast. Dademo recommends small snacks through the day. Combine intense exercises with soothing exercises. For example, at least 2 days of soothing exercises, at least 3 days of intense physical activity. Hatha yoga is the right choice for a calming exercise. For intense exercise, aerobics, martial arts, cycling, dumbbell training, or similar training. Each with 45 to 60 minutes per unit. Interrupt your everyday life for small exercises, especially if you have a job working at a desk sitting. You then have more energy once you do the exercises. So these were some tips for managing stress well with your blood type AB. In the books of Dr. Dademo, you will find in-depth information and more detailed explanations of the lifestyle along the individual blood types. If you're interested in the subject, you can find an online course on Udemy on the blood type diet that I created. I'm glad if we meet each other there again. So, thank you very much and see you soon.